Hey guys, welcome to this video that I'm gonna show you how triple EMAs worked on balance volume. As you can see on the chart, we have three simple moving averages, which is 21 periods, 52 periods, and 100 periods on this chart, and our time frame is about 100 minutes. It is BTC US dollar on the Coinbase exchange chart, and you want to use unbalanced volume on this matter of time. Okay, let's just begin what we call unbalanced volume. Let me short brief on what is unbalanced volume definition by investopedia.com. What is unbalanced volume? Unbalanced volume OBV is a technical trading momentum indicator that uses volume flow to predict changes in the stock price. Joseph Granville first developed the OBV metric in 1963 books Granville's new key to stock market profits. Okay, let's say what is exactly OBV shows us. Unbalanced volume is a technical indicator momentum using volume changes to make price predictions. This is an stress of make price prediction shows the crowd sentiment that can predict a bullish or bearish outcome. Comparing relative action between price bars and OBV generates more actionable signals that the green or red volume histograms commonly find at the bottom of price charts. Okay, let's scroll down and say how it's calculated. And you may find that it is awesome because the unbalanced volume is formed based on the formula. As you look, if the day one OBV is 0, then day 2 unbalanced volume make to 30,000, and the day 2 OBV equals to 0 plus 30,000 and equals to 30,000 on the OBV, and the second day OBV plus the yesterday volume, and on and on and on. If the unbalanced volume on each day was negative, it's gonna okay, let's just say if the unbalanced volume of a day it's occurred to negative amounts, it will be subtract the amount of yesterday and the final results showing the OBV of that specific period. Now take back and just take a look on the original OBV. As you see on the settings for unbalanced volume, there is no period at all. It is just came with the amounts of real-time volume balance based on the formula that we saw previously. Okay, let's just take a look on what do we want to show you today. As you see on the unbalanced volume that I've added 3 moving averages, exponential moving averages by 30 periods, 60 periods, and 90 periods. Okay, we have this on 100-minute chart. You should choose whatever time frame that is a multiple of 5, whether it's 5-minute chart, 10 minutes, 15, 20, 25. Every multiple of 5 minutes is just okay. As you see, I put it on 100-minute because I love to trade my intraday trades at 100 minutes. Okay, let's just take a look at what happens right here. As you can see, I have 3 simple moving averages, as the first video I said, 21 period moving simple moving average, 52 periods simple moving averages, and 100 simple moving averages. And we also could take advantage of these crossovers. As you see, 100 minute is shown by the white line, and the orange line is indicating 52 periods, and the yellow line, as our fast line, indicates 21 periods. So what these tells us, at the beginning of this trend, this intermediate trend that we have in this time, May 13, 11:10, or let's just 9:30, we have the crossover of 21 periods upward the 52 periods. 21 periods upward the 52 periods. That indicates we might have an uptrend. As you can see, the price is break through the 52 periods moving average and pulls back, and it's find the support right here on 88.62 and bounce until 99.35. Okay, that's our first signal that we had on this chart, and the second signal was here right after this signal, that price breaks through the 100 period and finds the support, then bounce, and again you might want to enter here. But let's just take a faster look on how we're going to use this unbalanced volume, most valuable thing you might not ignore in each and every trade, that every time you have, it doesn't matter what time frame you are looking for, whether it is 5-minute chart, 50-minute charts, 30-minute or 1 hour. It's just crucial. You might want to look at this chart before you enter a trade, because it gives you a brighter, crystal clear view that you might want to enter to a true breaks and not a false breakout. Okay, and as I traded this position on my real account, which is BitMEX, and some of you may have been familiar with this platform or exchange. It doesn't matter what exchange you or what broker you are working with. As I mentioned, I choose Bitcoin because I have traded this position on my real account today, and I simply just put it into a trading view, as you can see, with paper trading, because I want to share this idea with you that I have really traded on my real account and show you guys that it is a actually idea that I have, not just only by talking and explain it to you. You should have considered this. As you can see, here goes my ideas, and I had this analysis before it happens on May 20th 2020, and because it's a round figure date and I wanted to produce this video and share it with you guys, that my idea on unbalanced volume triple moving averages. Okay, as you can see on my analysis, which is begun at May 20th 2020 on 12:50, which is my time is plus 3 hours and 30 minutes GMT. It doesn't matter. As you can see, now I record this video at 2:50 a.m. right about 30 hours later after this position was taken. Okay, let's just take back to the analysis of the market. Okay, here's my prediction. As you can see, it's the future, and 13 hours ago I said if price can break 9,730 and close below, then we might have a rally till 9,490. Okay, let's find 9,490. It's right about here. As you can see on my volume profiler, that it's exactly finds its support right here. If you see and look exactly what is happening on the chart, it's exactly takes place at my target 9,490. Okay, let's just take a look, and you see the price is right at this level. Of course, we have the market down till 9,279 as we exact. I want to say it's lowest 9,294. Yes, but it was a long shadow, and we might have this for a little short while. Of course, the analysis was right, and I'm gonna show you how I predict this in just a blink of an eye. I had 100-minute chart, and I saw this. As you can see, if I straight on unbalanced volume, that, as you can see, the trend was upward until here. If I wanted to be exactly where I traded, as you can see here, sell half a Bitcoin on 9,772.25. I take this position, and you see this buying because I was shorted right about here and sell another half of Bitcoin. Okay, I shorted this position here. As you can see on my analysis, I predicted, well, this market is gonna be short for a while, and here's what it is. It is my analysis, and it's became success, and I wanted to share this with you. Okay, let's take a look back on the chart, and as you can see, I have this an uptrend, but as we can see, the volume is decreasing with nice slope downward from the minus 119.349k to, let's just be accurate, and 124.557Ks. Okay, and we have this, but what interests me, it is an unbalanced volume that is showing here with the white color, the real unbalanced volume, and these three lines indicate three exponential moving averages, which I choose 30, 60, 90, because every stock screen, or just be specific, a crypto screener does look for this time periods, which is, I early mentioned, which why you choose a multiple of 5. This is crucial time frames that stock screeners just look for crossover in this time frames. Okay, let's just take a look and look closer, which is here, right, occurs the first break and crossover. As you can see, 21 period moving average on unbalanced volume breaks the 30 periods of moving average exponential, break down the 60 periods moving average exponential on the unbalanced volume, and finally we got this crossover that the 30 periods exponential moving average breaks and cross down through the 90 periods of exponential moving averages on unbalanced volume. Okay, that this blue line indicates 90 period EMA, orange indicates 60, yellow indicates 30. And here we got the unbalanced volume crest down toward all of these movings, and as you can see, it pulls back and falls, it pulls back and fall until this time 12:50. Okay, let's just take a look what is gonna happen. And it's again raise up through the 30 moving averages periods on unbalanced volume. As you can see, it finds a nice resistance here. And another thing that you might consider, that is the 3 moving averages on unbalanced volume are separated and widely shows a downtrend, which is price indicates an uptrend, not a strong uptrend, but it is an uptrend. Okay, that as you can see, The three simple moving averages on the price are precisely showing an uptrend, but the magic of unbalanced volume it disagrees with the real price right now, and this might be considered because the volume is a crucial indicator that we have on the real price action. As you can see, you cannot see a critical pattern that specifically tells you that what might gonna happen right here. You might want to draw an upper line and draw it just like this and call this an ascending triangle, but this pattern, as you can see, is right formed and well formed, but the only thing that prevents this pattern to be occur is volume. And if I wanted to add real volume, I might choose volume, and as you can see from this point, the volume is decreasing, but the prices went up, and the only thing might prevent you from a misunderstand of what really going on the market is just volume, nothing else. Okay, as I mentioned earlier on this candle, and I want to be specific, if I come to 5-minute chart, as I wanted to be exact, here's I was partial exit here, but I have a trailing stop loss with the size of 60 dollars on this trade, which is I might close right about 92.96. I was somewhere between this area. My position was finally closed, and it is crucial that we might look on the volume. As you can see, $56 minus $520 on one trade, and which is my position size was half a Bitcoin. I might earn 260 on one trade, and it only happens in 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, it's a reasonable profit, all based on triple EMAs on unbalanced volume. As you can see, the unbalanced volume nicely trapped under the 21 period exponential moving average, and as soon as I get this nice slope because as you can see, 1, 2, 3 tops below the 21 periods of moving averages on unbalanced volume, and you know finally it's gonna be a downtrend. And how this is works on 1 hour and 15 minutes, 26 $260 gain on half a Bitcoin trade. Okay guys, I wish you enjoyed this, and excuse me for my messy chart. It is too messy, and as you can see, the final predictions, my goal was start from 97.30 to 94.90, and the price is nicely break this support and find the support right here on 92.92 and bounces, which was a really profitable trade for me. I wish you enjoy this, and do not ignore the volume, because it's most valuable indicator that you might have on the markets that we are trading. I wish you enjoy this. Come along and see the future videos of my trading. Thank you for watching me. Thank you again. It's Bardia Crypto. I wish I could have further analysis for you, and have fun, be profitable.